In this video, we're going over how to save $1,000 fast in 2025. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to PennyCrest, smart money moves, one penny at a time. Come for the finance and stay for the tacos. The new year is a fresh start and many of us are setting financial goals for ourselves. It's not uncommon to want to save more money, earn more money, or just improve our financial situation overall. Saving $1,000 may seem like a lofty goal, but it's definitely achievable with some planning and dedication. So let's talk about it. Step 1. Set clear goals and a timeline. Before you get started, it's important to set clear goals and a timeline. Ask yourself why you want to save $1,000 and by when. Is it for an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or a dream vacation? Having a specific goal in mind will help you stay motivated and on track. Also, set a realistic timeline for achieving your goal. This will help you determine how much you need to save each month or year to reach your target. Be sure to break down your big goal into smaller milestones. This will make it feel more achievable and help you stay on track. Step 2. Create a budget and track your expenses. To save money, you need to know where your money is going. Create a budget that outlines your income and expenses and track your expenses for a few months to see where you can cut back. There are several apps available to help you track your spending. Look into what works best for you. You may be surprised at how much you can save by making small changes to your daily habits, such as eating out less, brewing coffee at home, and canceling unused subscriptions. Look into areas where you can reduce your spending and allocate that money towards your savings goal. Step 3. Boost your income. If you're serious about saving $1,000, consider taking on a side hustle or asking for a raise at work. Look into opportunities to increase your income so you can reach your savings goal faster. There are many ways to make extra money these days. Look into what fits your skills and interests. From driving Uber on the side to starting a small business, there are plenty of options to explore. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Step 4. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to save money is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month or each paycheck. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money and it will be saved automatically. You can also consider setting up a direct deposit if your employer offers this option. By automating your savings, you can reach your goal faster without having to think about it too much. Step 5. Consider a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account can help you earn interest on your savings, which can help you reach your goal even faster. Many online banks offer high-yield savings accounts with competitive interest rates. Look into what works best for you and your financial situation. It is important to note that while a high-yield savings account can help you earn interest on your savings, it's not a substitute for other types of investments such as stocks or bonds. Step 6. Review and adjust regularly. It's important to review your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. If you're on track to reach your savings goal, that's great. But if you're falling behind, consider making changes to your budget, income, or savings plan. Life circumstances can change. Your income may increase or decrease, or your expenses may change. Whatever the reason, it's important to review your financial situation regularly and make adjustments as needed. Saving $1,000 may seem like a daunting task, but it's definitely achievable with some planning and dedication. By following these steps and staying motivated, you can reach your savings goal and achieve financial freedom. Remember to celebrate your accomplishments along the way and don't be afraid to adjust your plan as needed. Good luck and happy saving! Start small, stay focused. You can save $1,000 faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow PennyCrest for helpful smart money tips every week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.